Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install update iOS 27. An error occurred while installing or downloading iOS 27. So guys, you are trying to download or install iOS 27 but you're facing this issue and you are unable to download and install iOS 27. Here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. First of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, if it is working properly, then change your internet connection for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then again open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update, and then you have to simply tap on beta updates, and then if it is on off button, then you have to simply check this to iOS 27 developer beta. So guys, tap on this and after this go back and now try to update your device again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go back and then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and delete some useless apps and data from your Apple device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.